Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect Monday to your Google Sheet without using complex setups like Zapier or Make or any kind of solution that you have tried so far. So I'm going to go into my Monday account and show you how to set it up. So here on Monday I have a board of contacts. So each item is a contact with some fields. And now what I want to do, I'm just going to reset that so I can show you how it works. Now what we're going to do is use the app called Google Sheets Automations. So I can search for Google Sheets and then you can see this app. I already installed it on my account. But in case you didn't, then you need to install it and then you can add it to one of your workspaces. Okay, after you install the app, you'll basically see a list of recipes that you can use. Those recipes have different triggers, so that depends on your situation. You can trigger the recipe when your column changes, or when status changes, or when data arrives. It's up to you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick when status changes to something, add a row in Google Sheets. So I'm going to click on that. And from here, it's pretty much self-explanatory. So I'm going to do when status changes to done. Then I'm going to add the row in Google Sheet. Now, when you click on Google Sheet, it basically pulls all of the sheets that you have on your Google Drive. So you need to authorize the app to have access to your Drive. Once you do that, the app will be able to see all of the files that you have on your Google Drive. So you can pick one of those. So here I'm going to pick Monday to Google Sheets and then spreadsheet with the sheet one. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the values. So when you click on values, basically those fields that you see here are the fields, the headers from your Google Sheet. So basically when you add a new column or when you basically what you need to make sure is that the first row in your sheet is actually headers. So the first cell is actually the name of the header. And here, this is what you will see. So you can see we have name, title, company, name, title, company. And now you can basically sync it. So you can choose the name of the item. Let's do the title. Let's do the company. If you don't want, for example, the type, priority phone number, you don't have to use it. Let's pick the email address. And you can also add like just text that will appear every time. So you can say sync from Google Sheet Automations. And that's it. I'm gonna click on done and I'm gonna add this to my board. Let me delete the older one. And let's see what happens. So now we have an empty sheet and I'm gonna change the statuses to done, 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 and done. And you can see the rows are added to my sheet. Now it basically takes the formatting of the first row. This is why you see the style is pretty much the header style, but now because I changed the styling, if I'm going to do it again, then the next rows will be will appear with no styling. So that's it. This is how you can integrate your Monday Word into a Google Sheet and make sure that new rows are added automatically.